This is a fun party drink. It's called a go-go juice. Now, judging by the ingredients, this is kind of a variation of an electric iced tea or a Long Island iced tea. It involves vodka, gin, rum, tequila, blue curacao. Let's get started. We're going to build this. We're going to eventually pour it into a Collins glass. We want to shake it in our shaker first and then strain it into the glass. Now, it's called for equal parts of all the ingredients, so we're going to use a ½ ounce of each. This is going to have quite a kick to it. Let's get a ½ ounce of our vodka. Excuse me, that was our gin. ½ ounce of our rum, Bacardi in this case. ½ ounce of vodka. And if you don't have a jigger and you want a free pour, as long as you have a pour spout, I like using a 1 count per ¼ ounce. So for a ½ ounce, it would be a 2 count like this. 1, 2. Done. And finally, the blue curacao, which will give it a good color. It's basically, curacao is an orange liqueur. In this case, it's just colored blue. It's not blueberry flavored or anything like that. And we're going to add sour and OJ. And it also calls for 7-Up, but we're going to add that after we shake our ingredients up and pour it into our glass. Because we don't want to shake anything up that's carbonated. Look at that. When in doubt, make it blue, right? That's the rule of thumb. So we'll strain this over our ice. Let's leave a little room for our 7-Up. That looks good. And that on top. There we go. You're good to go. Go-go juice. Enjoy.